Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another get ready with me, and I'll be showing you how I install this wig from Luvme hair. So I'm working with the 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The length I have is 24, so this is a 24-inch wig, or 22, I'm not too sure, but I'll list all the details down below. And the density of the wig is 180. So the wig came pre-bleached and it came with a natural hairline, and it came pre-styled as well, guys. Also, the wig was literally ready for me to install straight out of the box. And yeah, so you guys want to see how I installed and styled this 5x5 lace closure wig, and also my outfit and what I'm wearing, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So with closure wigs, I like to clip the straps at the back together. So instead of putting them in the hoops at the back, I just clip them together. And now the next thing is to apply some foundation on the lace, because I think this is the transparent HD lace. So I'm just going to apply some foundation just to help the lace match my skin tone. This is what the lace looks like. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. It does look good. I could go in and customize the hairline just a bit more depending on the look I'm going for, but if you're a beginner, this is actually fine. So I'm going to glue the wig down today. I also have the option of not gluing the wig down because it's a closure wig, but I am going to glue it down today and then show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I just realized my mic was not plugged in the whole time, but it's plugged in now. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and install this now, and then we can go from there. So you guys can see this is what the wig looks like without me gluing it down. It looks good and it does fit very secure on my head. Like, it's not moving, not going anywhere. I am going to glue it down like I said. And in terms of placement, so because this is a 5x5 closure, or should I just say because this is a closure wig, obviously the lace only goes from here to here. So the construction of the cap carries on from where the lace stops and then carries on all the way around. So I've placed the cap over my ear because obviously it's a closure wig, but if this was a frontal, it would be from, the lace would be from ear to ear. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just spray that down. I'm going to use my bedhead spray. Honestly guys, a closure wig does not require anything. Like, it doesn't require too much. That's why sometimes closures are just the way to go, because they're just so quick and easy to install. There's no hassle, nothing, trust me. So if you're a beginner, or if you're someone who doesn't like a lot of stress and you're trying to get into wearing wigs, then I'll definitely recommend a 5x5 closure wig to you, or even just a closure wig in general. And the reason why I like wigs from Luvme hair is that, like, as you guys can see, everything is more or less done for you. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, it came pre-styled. So what more could you ask for, like, honestly? So I'm just going to press that into my skin and I'm done. Literally, you can see how it looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style the wig. Sorry guys, my face is a bit puffy right now because it's morning. I just woke up not too long ago, so yeah. Also, I'd recommend you have your hot comb on whilst you're gluing your wig down, so you know, it gives it time to get hot, and then you can just go ahead and use it. So now I am gonna hot comb the top of the wig. Guys, when it comes to hair quality, Luvme hair, I've definitely got you. Like, the hair is always very silky and very, very soft. So I'm just going to go ahead and style the top of the wig, and then we're going to move on to makeup, and then I'll come back and finish styling my hair. So I'm going to put some wax stick on the top of the hair. I'm also going to take my parting all the way to the back because, guys, there's still a bit more space on the lace, and I feel like the longer your parting is, the more natural and nicer your wig looks. Okay, so I've just done my makeup off camera. This looks stunning. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and restyle this wig just because I feel like the curls have obviously dropped. So I'm just gonna recurl the hair and then show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna add some curls. I'm using, I think this is the Babyliss curling wand that I'm using, and I'm just curling the hair away from my face, literally. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out the curls with my fingers. Okay guys, another thing I was gonna mention is that if you decide to use the straps at the back of the wig, sometimes that can make the wig uncomfortable, especially around the ears. So I've literally just undone the straps at the back, so now it feels more comfortable, you know. Okay, so here's the finished look. Guys, I'm so in love with this wig. Like, this was so easy for me to install. I didn't have to bleach the knots, I didn't have to pluck the hairline. It literally came ready for me to install out of the box. It came pre-styled as well, but you guys saw me restyle the hair just because the curls, you know, dropped and everything. But this is really nice, and the hair itself is so soft and so silky. And when it comes to the lace as well, this is definitely HD lace, because the lace is so thin, it literally melts into my skin. I'm gonna zoom all the way in so you guys can see. It is undetectable, like you can't, where is the lace? You can't see it. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from Luvme Hair, and this is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and the density, and it's 180 density, and the length I have is 22, I think. But I'll make sure to list all the details that you guys need in the description bar below. So now moving on to my outfit, I've literally kept it so simple but very classy. I feel like, listen, simple is the way to go, but as long as it's giving what it needs to give. What's the word? Simple but effective, exactly. So when it comes to my outfit, I'm wearing this black dress from Shein. Guys, it feels amazing on my skin, and it's very figure hugging, as you guys can see. And I'm just carrying this bag also from Shein, and then, you know, my everyday watch with bracelets and cuffs basically. So yeah, and when it comes to shoes, I'm just wearing some black strappy heels. And yeah, so yeah guys, let me know what you think of this outfit down below. I'll make sure to list all the links to everything also, and I'll see you guys in my next one.